Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. The lights. That's awesome. That's awesome. Turn the lights off. People are gonna think Grandpa farted. Wow. Ay, 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 ay. That is awesome. No, look at that. I can't. That's so addicting. It's addicting. Jeez Louise. What a creation. Well, what do you think?
He's a dumbass. Oh, there she is.
There she blows. As ridiculous as it is.
Wow.
Why any fire truck beats me.
For lots of reasons.
Oh shit. Wow. Oh, this is awesome. Let's go see what's over there. What is this? Hazard button? What? You got your shifter right here. You pushed in. Gotta stop touching it. Well, I kind of. God, these ones are being the loud ones over here. What the heck? Pulled apart. Push to release. And then I assume this is where your walkie-talkie. Roof. Flashers, rear light. No, siren horn. Oh.
Right? I feel like it will. Well, he says it runs, it should fucking make it back, right? Oh,
One of these is the start switch. There's no key.
probably go like the hoses. Yeah.
Fill at 3/4. Smart.
The lube gun discharge? What is this shit?
What? What?
The dog literally wants to play or be friendly. Like, he thinks people are playing with him. He wants to run from. He wants you to chase him from. He wants to play, see? Here's him right back on the highway. Just told me I bet you could take that exhaust off and put it on the Volvo and it'll sound more better with that exhaust on the Volvo, huh, guy?
I completely agree.
Right? Having that big ass engine.
What is this? It's the heater box? Oxygen tank on my back. We're going in. We might not make it out. Clutch rod bearing, if applicable, schedule 50 hours or weekly. Spring pin, single axis, 50 hours or weekly. What? What? This is the lubrication guide.
Okay, I guess you gotta keep it lubricated.
Yeah.
Lubricated. This dash is nice. Danger occupant must be seated and belted when apparatus in motion. Whoa. The hell going on here? What is this red wire? What is this? We're low on our washer fluid, windshield washer fluid.
Are we?
We got none. That's crazy. What the hell is supposed to happen when the cab goes forward? Oh shit. Crank windows. Oh, look at these sun visors. What?
He's obsessed with the sun visors
And then there's like a gap in between the top of it.
That's loud.
I found it.
Where is it?
On the other side, going
It's right there in the
across
center.
In the middle, that thing that's hanging.
Wow.
Knew Alex was gonna find it. And do that.
Hilarious.
Fucking Alex.
Damn.
Only Alex.
The heck?
This shit, you literally
What
sit
the
outside
heck?
while driving passenger in the. Hi.
What?
Oh. Okay, not ready.
He's like, no.
What do you think?
Awesome. Push to release. I can feel the engine heat.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice.
A gigantic engine right under yonder.
No, he's not ready. What's in there? Nothing?
I don't know. What is in there?
An old cut.
What's up here?
I don't know what that is.
What are those? This one's stuck. What is those?
I have no idea.
Oh, that is awesome. What is this? Oh, that's why. What's in here? No. There's got to be some sort of pump. What's under all of this? Because, like, not much is actually the...
Well, you can walk up there probably.
There isn't actually much meat to the truck.
up above. You could probably sleep in the fucking back. Look like it's got antennas from cable and shit.
Air outlet, bro. They've got a air compressor built into this.
Yeah, there isn't a lot of heat coming up from up here, right here where I'm at.
Yeah, the engine right there. Crazy.
That's cool though. Imagine sitting here just riding down the road, like not falling, hopefully falling out and just rolling down the fucking road.
Suction? Suction discharge.
Fucking get all this shit right
Yeah.
here from the engines right here. Oh shit, did we even...
Oh shit, that's how you lower and raise the cab.
Yeah, they even have a seatbelt back here.
They've got it. You think they're just gonna...
For real, there's a seatbelt. You can buck yourself into this shit.
What? What?